Hi, this is Joe Brett from the Digital Learning Media team with another top tip on how to produce good video content from home. This one is all about viewer engagement. With delivering classes or trying to communicate remotely, it's quite difficult to get that level of engagement you would normally have with your students. One little tip is to look at the lens of whatever device you're using to make your videos or deliver your lectures. That could be a smartphone or a laptop. It doesn't matter as long as you are looking at the lens. The problem with these devices is that they often have a large preview window that shows you what you're recording or what you're delivering. It's very easy to look at that instead of looking at the lens. This can be quite disconcerting for the viewer as it feels like you're not looking at them. So what we would recommend is that you look at the lens at all times to get that connection with your student or your viewer.